What's up, guys? So we are back again this week. We've got another Jeep for you because I know how much you like the Jeeps. So this is going to be a 2018 JKU, 4.5-inch BDS, some 35s and 12 wides. Check it out. All right, so your basic black 2018 JKU. We did the 4.5-inch BDS. It's got the Fox upgrade shocks on it. It's got the Fox upgrade steering stabilizer, JKS disconnect, quick disconnect sway bar links on there as well. So if you really do want to go off-roading with this bad boy, you can. Now those are all to fit these 20x12 Hostile Sprockets in the all black finish, wrapped in some 35, 12.5, 20 Nitto Ridge Grapplers. And of course it's a Jeep, so he's got all 5 of those bad boys. He's got one hanging out on the back. We also added in a pair of NFAB Nerf steps because, you know, what is a Jeep without some sweet rock slider looking steps? So it's pretty basic. No window tint or anything. He actually only drives this Jeep with the top off and the doors off all summer. So why bother putting any window tint on it? We did do, you take a look inside of here, we've got some sweet grab handles that were customer supplied, so when you're rolling without doors on here, you got something at least to hold on to a little bit. Same thing in the back there. But other than that, took the sweet Sahara badge off to the side, so it was a little bit more blacked out. But that about wraps it up for what we got going on this 2018 Wrangler. So like, subscribe, follow, share, do all the cool stuff, and we will see you next time. Peace.